Yes, assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the AS level maths component, that is P1, the compulsory component, and S1, that is the probability and stats component, P5, also called P5, right? So the syllabus code of A level maths is 9709. Okay, and before we move on, uh, just want to tell you that if you want to study from us these components P1 and S1, do contact me at the number given below in the description or in the comment section, because there are very limited spots. So enroll now at your earliest, whether you are a local student from Pakistan or you are studying abroad and you want to study these two components, P1 and S1, do contact us at your earliest, right? So the number will be given in the description. So do contact us, right? So let's move on. So there are two components that we do at AS level, P1, the compulsory one, and the S1. So let's talk about P1 first. The P1 component is called pure maths component, and it is of 1 hour 50 minutes, consisting of 75 marks. Right now, this P1 component actually makes up 60% of your AS level grade. Right, and obviously, it makes then 30% of your A levels. Now, when we say A levels, we are talking about AS level, the first year, plus A2 level, the second year combined, right? So for AS level, this P1 component actually weighs 60%, and for the whole A level maths, it actually weighs 30%, right, of your grade. And if we talk about S1, P5, it actually is of 1 hour 15 minutes, and 50 marks is of 50 marks. And unlike P1, it is the minor component, because P1 is the major component, as it takes up the 60% of weight at AS level. So unlike P1, the S1 component weighs about 40% at AS level and 20% of the whole A levels, right? So that is why it is very important for you to work very hard at your AS level P1, because it actually makes uh, more than half of your AS level grade, right? Which will then help you in A levels as well, because again, P1 also makes 30% of the whole A levels grade, right? So let's begin with the syllabus content. Let's look at the chapters that will be coming in both the components that you'll have to study. So as far as P1 is concerned, you'll have to study quadratics, functions, coordinate geometry, circular measure, trigonometry, series, that is the AP and GP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. And in the last, you have to study calculus, that is differentiation and integration, right? So these 8 chapters are the part of the curriculum of P1 component that you will study at AS level. And if we talk about the P5 component, that is S1, then in this component you will study things like representation of data, permutation combination, probability, discrete random variables, normal distribution, right? So these chapters are the part of P5 syllabus or S1 component, right? So I wish you all the best. And if you wish to study from us, then contact me at your earliest, the number given below on WhatsApp, because uh, I know a teacher who is expert at teaching these two components and who himself has achieved a remarkably high number of marks in these two components. So if you wish to study these two components, contact me. Contact me at the number given below. Bye.